Hello friends, welcome back to the best rooftop gardening channel. Today we're going to unbox some plants which I bought from Nursery Life. This is not a paid promotion. Let's open this box and see what have came. If you like this video, please do subscribe this channel and share it with your friends. Packing quality is good. Let's see what is inside it. There is 4 plants, 4 succulents have received. Now you can see the packing. We need to remove all the covers. Let's take out one by one. We need to remove this cover to take this plant out. Let's check the condition of it. Okay, the condition of the plant is good, not so bad. Packing is also good. You can see. Let's unwrap the second one. There is a small pot they have provided. Condition of this plant is not so good. It has started rotting. Let's check out the third one. Okay, its condition is quite good, but let's see. Let's check the fourth one. All the plants have provided in 2-inch pots. The pot is good. Okay, let's check this fourth plant. Some leaves have started rotting, but you can see, okay, the plant is in good condition. Some leaves have rotten, but the second plant is in bad condition. It has started rotting, and let's see whether it will survive or not. These 4 plants I have bought. Hope this will help you to understand online purchasing of plants. Thank you for watching this video.